आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
fx is a differentiable non-decreasing function such that we have given this relation. So we have to find this x into g dash x upon g of x here. So we have given that integral 0 to x, we have f of t whole cube with respect to dt is equal to 1 by x square. We have this value and this value is given as g of x, so we can write it as g of x whole cube here. So if we differentiate both sides with respect to dx, we have, if we differentiate it, we have here will be f of x whole cube here and is equal to, differentiating this, we have first function as it is, let this be 1, this be second. So we are applying chain rule, d by dx of second and plus of second as it is, d by dx of first. So applying this thing here, we have first as it is, that is 1 by x square. Differentiation of this is 3 into g of x whole square into g dash x here, and plus of second as it is, that is g of x whole cube into differentiation of this is minus of 2 by x cube here. So we have this is f of x whole cube here. So if we further solve, we know that g dash x is f of x here, because we have, if we differentiate it, we have g dash x is f of x here. So we have g dash x whole cube is equal to, if we take, we are taking g of x whole cube common, and we have here is, here we have left with, and in denominator we are taking x cube common, so from here we have left with 3 times of, here is g dash of x, and in denominator here will be x into, here will be x, and we have g dash of x in denominator here, g of x here, and we have left with minus of 2 here. So according to this, we have g dash x upon, we have, here will be x into g dash of x, and if we cross multiply this, we have g of x here whole cube, and if we shift this term here in LHS, we have minus of 3x g dash x upon g of x and plus 2, because here is minus 2, after shifting it to LHS it is plus 2, is equal to 0. So we have this term, have x into g dash of x, and in denominator we have g of x. If we put this term as u, then this is written as u cube minus 3u plus 2 is equal to 0. So u is 0 at 1 or minus 2 here. So we have given another question in condition, that is fx is a non-decreasing function. So if we see this, if we put x into g dash of x upon g of x as 1, this is first case. So here will be x into f of x is equal to, here will be gx, and gx is integral 0 to, we have integral 0 to x f of t dt. Here is integral 0 to x f of t dt here. So if we differentiate both sides with respect to x, we'll get, here will be f of x, differentiation of x, plus of x as it is into f dash x is equal to f of x. So from here f of x will be equal to 1 here. So it is a non-decreasing function. So this value satisfies. And if we check for x g dash x upon g of x is equal to -2. So from here we have x f of x is equal to -2 times of integral 0 to x f of t dt. Now again differentiating with respect to x, here we have f of x plus x f dash x. This value is equal to -2 f of x. So from here we have x f dash x is equal to -3 f of x. So from here we have, here will be f of f dash x upon f of x is equal to -3 upon x. So if we integrate both sides with respect to x, we are integrating both sides with respect to x. Here we'll get integration of this is ln modulus f of x is equal to, here is -3 and here will be x raised to power -1. Here will be integral of 1 by x. It is integral of 1 by x is ln modulus x plus c. So we can write this c as log c dash. That means we have minus of, here is, so from here f of x, if we solve this, we have log a. We have replaced this c as log of c dash. So log a minus log b is, here will be c dash upon, this is x cube. So c dash upon x cube, and we have plus of this. And this log and log will be removed. So we have this term here, and we have f of 1 is 1. So from here c dash is equal to 1. So f of x is equal to 1 by x cube. That is a decreasing function. So this can't be possible. So we have this value of this term is not possible. So we have the final answer as, is equal to 1. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।